Okay, filters are cumulative. Okay, so which means you can apply multiple filters, okay, to help narrow down your results. Okay, all right, so in our example here we already filtered, okay, our worksheet to show laptops and projectors only. All right, so we would like to narrow it down further, so only show laptops and projectors that were checked out in August. Okay, so click the drop down arrow for the column that you want to filter. Right, correct. Okay, so in this example we will add a filter to column D to view information by date. Okay, all right, so the filter menu will appear. All right, okay, check or uncheck. Okay, so check or uncheck the boxes depending on the data that you want to filter, then click OK. So in our example here, we will uncheck everything except for August. Okay, so we select only for August, and then okay, so you click OK. Okay, so the new filter, okay, will be applied. Okay, so in our example, the worksheet is now filtered to show only laptops and projectors that were checked out in August. Okay, so after applying a filter, all right, you may want to remove or clear it, okay, from your worksheet, so you will be able to filter content in a different ways. Okay, so how you want to remove it. All right, click the drop down arrow for the filter that you want to clear. In our example here, we will clear the filter in column D. All right, so click the filter menu. Okay, and then the filter menu will appear. All right, and then choose clear filter from column name from the filter menu. All right, okay, and then in our example here, all right, we will select, okay, clear filter from checkout. All right, option here. Okay, and then okay, the filter, okay, will be cleared from the column, so the previously hidden data will be displayed again. Okay, so to remove all filters, okay, from your worksheet, okay, you can click filter command. Okay, data filter commands, okay, on the data tab. All right, and then okay, you will see, all right, they will remove all filters from your worksheet.